Discover Antalya, a Turkish paradise awaits. Escape to Antalya, where turquoise waters meet ancient history and breathtaking landscapes. Ready for an unforgettable adventure? Let's explore the magic of this Turkish gem. Imagine yourself relaxing on pristine beaches, the warm Mediterranean sun kissing your skin. Antalya boasts stunning coastlines perfect for swimming, sunbathing, and water sports. Feel the soft sand between your toes and dive into the crystal-clear waters. Step back in time as you explore Antalya's rich history. Discover ancient cities like Perj and Aspendos, marvel at well-preserved Roman theaters, and wander through charming old towns. Every corner tells a story of empires and civilizations past. Immerse yourself in Antalya's natural beauty. Hike through the Taurus Mountains, witness the cascading beauty of Dudin waterfalls, and explore lush green landscapes. Adventure awaits around every bend. Indulge in the flavors of Turkish cuisine. From savory kebabs to sweet baklava, Antalya offers a culinary journey for your taste buds. Don't forget to try the local specialties and experience the warmth of Turkish hospitality. Ready to experience the magic of Antalya? Visit our website to book your dream vacation today. Follow us on social media for more travel inspiration and share your Antalya adventures with #VisitAntalya. Let's make unforgettable memories together.